How to fix CAPTCHA error in Chrome. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your browser and then tap on the three dot. Now go to settings, scroll all the way down and then go to about Chrome. Now if you have any updates available, simply get the latest version of Chrome. You can also do it using your Play Store. Simply search for Chrome and then if there is any update, tap on update and get the latest version. After that, tap and hold the Chrome application and then go to app info. Now go to storage and then tap on clear cache. Make sure to turn off any VPN if you are using any. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.